Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the COMFEE toast air fryer. So this is a FlashWave rapid heater technology. It comes with a really nice packaging. It comes with 4 different trays, the baking rack, air fryer basket, crumb tray, and the baking dry tray. So the baking dry tray is a high temperature heat resistance coating, so you're not going to have any peels or any problems later on. So COMFEE itself, it comes with a really nice LED display, and they're really easy to read, and the 10 different settings, preset settings. This is a 10-in-1 cooking system, so every single menu is a preset, but you can adjust the temperature, the time, and you can extend not the 10, it's going to be every single one. It's adjustable, so you're gonna take your cooking experience next level. Comes with a really bright LED internal lightings. It's very nice, and the adjustments and the push and the turn knobs is very easy to turn and navigate on the menus. So being the small compact size, you can cook many stuff like air roast, air fry, rapid baking, or sour crisps. Also you can do the bagels, even the cook or the toasted bagels, and so on. All right, so as you can see, nice and beautiful. Let me see the back. Oh, the back is also, as you can see, very nice and clean. Because it has a fan, the circulation, it's toast to both sides good. If you put the higher up, it's going to be, but one side is going to be lighter. If you put the lower down, it's going to be one side is different. Okay, let me cook the different stuff, right? All right, croissants also is ready. As you can see, I did the number 4. It's very dark. That's the way I want it. See that? Actually, it's a little bit burnt. So number 3 is going to be perfect for the croissants, but this is what I like. It's very crunchy and really nice. So you can put the center layer, like middle layer or lower, so it's going to be the both sides exactly the same. If you want to heat up one side very red and one side is whiter, you just put the slide on the little bit higher position. That's it. The COMFEE advertising FlashWave technology, the 40% faster cooking or the 70% faster heating. My experience with the older systems, with the different regular spiral systems, this is even the 50%, I can easily say, because this system, it heats up immediately. As soon as you turn on, you're gonna feel the heat right away. So it's really good technology. And also on the lower part, as you can see, you have a stronger close high temperature spirals that it's going to allow you to go up to 450 the Fahrenheit to cook even some cases 500 Fahrenheit. So it's really high temperature cooking machine. As you can see, for the price they're offering for 24 quart version I have, it's really good. You can cook many stuff, you can bake many stuff, and you can repeatedly reheat, defrost, so on. For the price you guys paying, really good build quality. It's really good device. I highly suggest if you want to cook a lot of stuff. This is one of the very nicely built and put together machine for your kitchen. I'm out. Also in the next video, guys.